Who does matric for you?
No, I know they do. No,
ask me question. Before Mama go say she needs to. No, I know they do. I know they do my Mama go disappointed. Alpha, come now. Alpha, who get this thing? Who you be? Why they deny admission? Now no one get admission. I know. They go terminate you. Make I just ask one question. No, ask me. A simple question. Na simple. See the video. Come now. Na simple question now. So a simple question. I don't go why you now. So my name is Hilary. I'm going to be asking you some computer questions. So what are you studying?
Na BAM, na business admin.
Okay, so do you prefer iPhone or Samsung?
I prefer Samsung.
Why do you prefer Samsung?
I'm no reason, but na Samsung is best now.
Okay. So what's your best Samsung phone?
Me, I don't use Samsung Fold. I don't use S10. I love them.
S10. Okay, so can you list one computer device, input device?
Input device. Now who know that one?
List one input device.
Maybe input device now. Input. No be output. Okay, input. Yeah. Okay, you mean input, but nice one. Wait, make I calm down.
They wait.
Input device for computer. Computer input device. Who knows Sabiam? Have you prank me?
List one.
I need hard question.
List one input device, one output device.
I need hard question. That one.
Okay, list two careers in technology.
No, that one. Input device.
Answer one now. Just give me one.
This guy. You want to say?
Let me give you an example. Mouse is an input device.
Mouse not be input.
Waiting can be input. Waiting mouse be.
Mouse na output.
Waiting can be input.
Input. You can say your person they call am. You know say me I no be science student. I don't know anything but Wi-Fi. Guy leave me guy.
Well, you don't sure say. Thank you. So what are you studying?
Computer science.
Okay, wonderful. Computer science. Can you name two input devices?
Two
input devices.
Okay, two input
devices
that we have. Okay, we have input devices. Okay, we have the input devices. We have the input devices. Okay, we have the keyboard. We have the input devices. We have the printer. No, the printer is output devices. We have the keyboard. We have the mouse.
Yeah, correct. So the next question, which career do you want to pursue in tech?
Okay, I want to pursue product and brand design.
Product and brand design. Are you familiar with Figma?
Not really familiar.
Which software are you familiar with?
Photoshop and Corel.
Okay. Do you prefer iPhone or Samsung?
I prefer Samsung.
Why do you prefer Samsung?
Okay, prefer Samsung for some reason and iPhone for some reasons too.
Okay, give me the reasons.
Okay, for iPhones I prefer the video quality of the camera. Yeah, that's mainly the fascinating thing about iPhone. Their video quality is always nice. And then for Samsung, they have more system features than iPhone. Some of them do have better camera. They have other amazing features.
What are you studying?
BAM, business management.
Business management.
Yeah.
Okay, congrats. So I'm going to be asking you simple tech questions. Yeah. So my name is Larry. So what's your name?
My name is Goodness.
You have an Instagram handle.
Yeah.
What's your Instagram handle?
That is Goodness Ugo.
Goodness Ugo. Okay. So the first question, I want you to list just one tech career,
Tech career.
Yeah, worldwide and also in Nigeria.
Software engineering.
Okay, that's nice. Software engineer. So do you know their job? Do you know what they do?
And they just, they design this thing. They design software system. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So the next question, I want you to list maybe two input devices used in computer system.
And we have the keyboard, we have the scanner, we have the mouse, and so
You know
on.
the work of a keyboard.
Yeah, the keyboard is used for typing.
So hello, my name is Hilary. What's your name?
Jennifer,
What are you studying?
business admin.
Okay, so I'm going to be asking you just few simple computer questions. So can you list two input devices?
Two input devices. We have monitor and microphone.
Monitor is output device.
Oh, mouse and microphone.
Mouse and microphone. Can you list two output devices?
That's monitor and printer.
Okay, correct. What's the full meaning of RAM?
Random access memory.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay. Do you like iPhone or Samsung?
iPhone
Why do you like iPhone?
because of the camera, nothing else.
Well, you know Samsung cameras are also good.
Yeah, but I prefer iPhone actually.
Which network do you prefer in Nigeria? MTN, Glo, Airtel.
Blue.
Why Glo?
The network is always stable. But when it has problems, small, I don't know, they take time.
Okay, so do you have anything to tell MTN Nigeria?
MTN, they should change. They should, upgrade their this thing. Not too much now.
So what are you studying?
Computer science.
Okay, wonderful. I'm going to be asking you tech questions.
Wow. Okay, that one.
So can you list two input devices?
Inputs. That's mouse, keyboard. That's it.
Do you want to give bonus? Extra one.
Joystick.
Okay, wonderful. Can you list two output devices?
Output. Printer. Mm, speaker. A speaker is an output device.
Okay, wonderful. So after graduation, what do you want to do?
I would want to get into computer stuff and expand my knowledge.
Which career do you want to purchase in tech?
I would love programming,
What type of programming?
websites, all these coding and encoding stuff.
Are you familiar with any language?
Mm, I never read that level, sha, but I never read that level.
Okay, so do you like iPhone or Samsung?
I would prefer Samsung.
Why do you like Samsung?
I don't know. I love the product. I don't go with like fancy stuff or others.
Okay, thank you very much. Happy matric once again. I want to ask you more question. Good afternoon. So what are you studying?
I'm studying computer science.
Okay, wonderful. Congratulations on your matric. So I'm going to be asking you like simple computer questions. Do you prefer iPhone to Samsung?
For me, I prefer Samsung.
Why do you prefer Samsung?
Like everything, both their camera, their space, the battery health, their battery.
But you know that iPhone battery health is also strong, and the camera.
You can't compare Samsung battery to iPhone battery.
Okay.
Samsung is the best. For me, I don't know for other people.
Okay. Since you are studying computer science, what career do you want to pursue after your graduation?
Um, I want to either web design or cyber security.
You know what cybersecurity is all about?
Yeah, so it's like protecting bank vaults, something like that.
You mean like you want to become a hacker?
No, no, I don't want to become a
If you have a chance to be a hacker, what type of hacker would you be?
if I have a chance.
Black hat, white hat, or grey hat?
Normally, but my dream is not to be an hacker.
Well, a cybersecurity personnel is also a hacker in a way.
Something like that. Yeah, but I prefer maybe the white hat.
White hat in Nigeria.
No, no.
Okay, can you list two input devices and two output devices?
Input is like output is speaker, input microphone, then input again can mouse, output, output. Let me just say output. Memory card. No, memory card is an input. Sorry.
My name is Hilary.
Chuendu Regina.
What are you studying?
Accountancy.
Okay, so I'm going to be asking you simple computer questions. So can you list two input devices?
Joysticks and joystick, no, keyboard. Yeah.
Okay. So can you list two output devices?
Motherboard and motherboard. Output device. Monitor and, and printer.
Okay. Motherboard. Okay. So do you like iPhone or do you like Samsung?
iPhone, but I'm using Samsung.
Why are you using Samsung?
That's one I can afford for now.
Which Samsung are you using?
S8.
S8.
Yes.
And do you know you can swap S8 for maybe S iPhone X?
No, I want to start with 15.
Okay, iPhone 15. Okay, nice one. Which network do you prefer, MTN, Glo, or Airtel?
I don't know. All the other network I'm using, all the other network, they're just sucking somebody's data.
Do you have all the SIM cards?
No, but people are using it.
Which
But
one?
I'm using MTN.
What do you have to tell MTN Nigeria?
Let them do better.
In what aspect?
In the data aspect, data is very cost now, and we are still students. It's
Okay.
very cost.
Happy matriculation.
Who are you saying having matriculations? Ah,
Okay, let me ask you a question.
about
Just computer stuff. Just simple questions.
I don't know anything about it.
Do you prefer iPhone or Samsung?
None.
Which phone do you prefer?
Android.
Which Android are you using?
Infinix.
Okay. Can you name two input devices?
Two what?
Input devices. I'm begging. Happy matric.
Thank you.
That can jog out now. Good afternoon. Happy matric. What are you studying?
Mass communication.
Can I ask you one question?
Go ahead.
Um, can you list one input device, computer input device,
One what?
computer input device, input device?
Computer input device.
Yeah.
The CPU.
CPU. Do you prefer iPhone or Samsung?
Samsung.
Why do you like Samsung?
It has a nice camera.
Nice camera. Is that the only reason?
Yes.
But iPhones have nice camera too.
I prefer Samsung. My choice.
Okay. So what network do you like best in Nigeria? MTN, Airtel, or Glo?
Yeah, I don't know. Half of them they are fucking up. So
Okay, thank you.